Okay, welcome to First Church, everybody. How's everybody doing today? All right, this is third Sabbath. So third Sabbath, this is Health Spotlight. Let's put it on the screen. And what are we talking about today, honey? Health Spotlight for the month of March.
The month of March is National Nutrition Month.
Okay, let's put it on the screen and let's talk about that. And so National Nutrition Month is March. All right? So let's do a disclaimer. The presentation today is not to treat, diagnose, or prescribe, but to educate only. We advise that you consult with your primary care physician before incorporating any alternative and/or lifestyle medicine. All right?
You got that down to a T, don't you?
So next month, you do it. How about that?
Now you're good.
Okay, we're good. All right.
Okay, we got a new term.
A new term.
For National Nutrition Month, a new term.
All right.
And so let's look at what this new term is that we're going to be teaching today.
Okay, new term, folks. So it's time to put on your thinking caps. Let's go to the next slide. What's the new term? Epigenetics. How many here have heard of the word epigenetics? Anybody? Nobody?
We got one hand.
Oh, okay. Oh, just in the choir? Okay, okay. Well, we'll be talking to the... Oh, okay, yeah. What does the word mean? The word epi means above, on top. When we eat certain foods, our genes lights up like a Christmas tree. It flips the switch on and off with certain genes. So it doesn't change our genes no more than it can change the color of our hair or the color of our eyes. But it can change the way our genes respond. Epigenetics. Wonderful research as far as that's concerned. So it can really impact our health tremendously.
All right, so then what food group are we talking about then?
All right, let's go to our next slide. And so what foods can actually switch on and switch off certain genes to impact our health? Honey, let's talk about these foods.
Well, the one that I like, I'm crazy about, and that is the whole berry kingdom.
The berry
We're not
kingdom.
talking about the berry kingdom.
Okay.
We're talking about taking those berries and making a parfait out of them.
Oh.
We're talking about taking those berries and adding some maple syrup to it, and then on top of that, put some peppermint so it gives that like cool flavor and feeling in your mouth.
Okay.
We're talking about the berries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. So all of these berries light up the gene.
Light up the genes.
Wow.
So it's simply flip the switch, and certain genes can actually heal us and turn other genes off that is detrimental to us. So epigenetics. And we're talking about fruit, and more specifically, the berries. All right, the berries.
So we're talking about the berries, so you know where I'm going to go then.
Okay.
I'm going to go give us a couple diseases that can actually benefit from this lighting up of the gene.
Cancer. Listen to this. Here it is. Breast, lung, prostate. Now, if you're a pastor, it's called prostrate. Okay, this slow group. All right, let's keep going. You'll get that later on. Colon cancer is treated with, here it is, blueberry, blackberry, and raspberry show increased death to cancer cells. These foods, when they enter into our system, our genes light up and cause cancer cells to commit suicide.
Wow. Love
The fruit.
Berry, love the berry
and
kingdom.
we're just getting started.
All right, so give me another one.
All right, let's go to the next one. Here's another one, folks. Hold on to the seat. Alzheimer's disease. Here it is. These berries, including those berries we mentioned before, including strawberries, effectively protect brain cells, slow down aging, and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Folks, we're not talking about drugs. We're not talking about herbal medicine. We're talking about fruit, and more specifically, berries can slow down the aging process. Honey, got a minute and a half.
All right, give me that scripture. I need
All right,
scripture.
let's close out. What about the inspired word on fruit? Here it is, folks. Listen to this. Next slide. I give you every tree that has what, everybody? With seed in it, they will be yours for food. Genesis 1:29, the first food group mentioned in the Bible is fruit. Inspiration, Council of Doctrine and Fruits, page 96. The more we depend upon fresh fruit, the greater would be the blessing. Fresh fruit, and more specifically, the berries. Honey, let's
The
close
berry
out.
kingdom. So, First Church, for National Nutrition Month, we need to consider eating more what? More
Yes.
berries, all the berries. The more berries, the better, okay?
All right, John 10:10. Jesus said, I come, that they might have life and have it more abundantly.